what CDC advisors said about DNA fragments, SV40, and mRNA shots. Hello, this is Dr. K. Paul Stoller. In September of 2025, advisors at the CDC's ACIP meeting raised alarming new findings about residual DNA in some COVID mRNA vials. Here's what was presented, and what independent experts and regulators are saying about it. At the ACIP safety session, Dr. Wafik Eldiri and colleagues summarized recent laboratory analyses that reported measurable levels of residual plasmid DNA in Pfizer and Moderna vials, and, in some analyses, detection of an SV40 promoter enhancer DNA fragment in Pfizer vials. The work the presenters cited is publicly available and has been posted in preprints and journal listings. Independent researchers used sequencing and fluorometry to quantify residual DNA. Their report states that total DNA per dose exceeded certain regulatory thresholds and that an SV40 promoter enhancer sequence was detected in the Pfizer samples they examined. Pfizer responded to the ACIP session with a statement reiterating the company's product reviews and compliance with quality standards. Leading vaccine scientists and public health experts, including Nobel laureates, have publicly questioned early headlines and urged careful interpretation while regulators consider follow-up. A central technical question raised is whether residual DNA limits, which were set for naked DNA, adequately account for DNA enclosed in lipid nanoparticles, which can alter cellular uptake. ACIP presenters urged more study of whether DNA inside LNPs could reach cell nuclei more readily. Regulators are now considering whether additional investigation is warranted. Advisors recommended transparency, additional testing, and investigation of any plausible clinical signals. The CDC and FDA are monitoring the discussion. Some officials have acknowledged the need for careful independent review before drawing broad safety conclusions. For viewers, if you're concerned, read the original reports, but take note. We are in the midst of an ongoing democide and the cover-up of that democide. Ignore this at your own peril. The fact that many of the viewers of this video will have to look up the definition of the word democide is a start. We can no longer remain neutral about being called. The right response is not just rigorous science, transparent data, and careful regulation, but holding those who are responsible accountable for what they have done, or they will do it again. We'll keep watching and report what experts conclude.